Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the class concrete. Open the scene, add the node type you need, then attach a new script. Choose the correct extends so your class inherits the right behavior. Once done, declare class name myClass to register it globally and enable typed references. Make sure to set up exported variables for editable properties and add basic methods like ready or process, delta. This gets you immediately into a reusable, editor-visible class you can instantiate. Next, flesh out behavior by defining properties, methods, and signals. Use export to expose tweakable values and add type hints for arguments and return values so the editor and static checker help you. Once you have core methods, split responsibilities. Public API methods for outside use, private helpers for internal logic, and signals for event-driven communication. Make sure to call initialization from ready or a custom init so children and instances start predictably and are easy to reuse. Finally, place and test your class. Instantiate via preload, res//myClass, gd, new, or drag the registered class from the create node dialog if you used class name. Run scenes to validate behavior, use print, and the debugger to inspect values, and step through code with breakpoints. If something breaks, isolate the problem by stripping to a minimal scene, verify exported defaults and signal connections, and confirm types, match expected signatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.